In this screencast, we're going to talk about how course members will meet the learning objectives in English 616, Introduction to Theories of Language Learning. And we're going to do that by looking at this Popplet, which is a free mind mapping or concept mapping tool. And each Popplet is a different assignment that will be in the class. Over here, this large assignment is the English Language Learning project paper. This is the biggest assignment in the course. So we're going to break that assignment down into different sections. Collecting data, research comparing the L1 with English, identifying interlanguage development, analyzing and identifying implications and conclusion, and project presentation. And as you go through these steps, that will all build towards the completion of the project paper. Now, even those steps might seem to be very large, so these are also broken down into the data collection sessions 1, 2, and 3. And so those 3 make up the data, collecting data. Now, we are, most of us will be new to collecting data and doing research projects like this. So there are other assignments that will help build those skills so that you can successfully complete your ELL project paper, demonstrating that you're meeting the learning objectives. For instance, all of the ones in blue on the Popplet are discussion board responses or posts that you'll make. I used green to indicate all of the activities that would be related to the ELL project. These are the tasks that will be performed in order to complete the larger terminal goal of the project. But we will also have these blue discussion board tasks where you will talk about your own language background, and that will help you with your project paper. Your own teaching views, the interaction response, the affect Popplet, the mediated learning screencast, the age effect response, and the policy responses. Now, all of these discussion board responses will inform your L2 teaching philosophy, another assignment of the course. So those are all connected. Everything that you do in the course as we interact and discuss course concepts using terms will inform your L2 teaching philosophy. So we have a big assignment broken into smaller assignments. And we also have here in the middle some assignments that are in black. These are additional assignments that scaffold the larger assignments. For instance, you're going to do a language background analysis, which based on the language background discussion board post, and then that's going to help you analyze and identify implications and conclusions for your project paper. You're also going to do an interlanguage analysis, and that might inform your teaching philosophy, but it's also going to scaffold your ability to identify interlanguage development in your own language informants language samples, which will inform your ELL project paper. So in this screencast, I wanted to explain the tasks and the activities and the assignments of English 616, but I also wanted to show how you can use Popplet to connect ideas, making that more explicit for students and learners of how all the pieces go together. It allows you to make the Popplets bigger, so if it's a more important thing, you can make it bigger. You can color code and show the relationships, like I've done here. And you can also show how the activities that you're doing in class or in a classroom connect to other ideas, that each activity is connected and builds upon each other.